Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can verify Faceit account in 2025. So first of all, as you can see, we already created an Faceit account in here. You just need to go over here to the profile and just click to the account setting. Once you click over here, then here you will get to see this kind of things. So from that place you will have the option to edit all these necessary things. You can make it as it you want. So here, after the account button, you will see its verification options. So here you just need to go over here, and here you can see identification is only available for players who connected O2CS to a .2 game. So you just need to be add these games in your Faceit account. Once you did, then you are allowed to verify yourself. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.